The Poison Cure is a short story penned by one of the greatest Tamil writer, Kalki Krishnamoorthy. The Poison Cure was translated in English by Gauri Ram Narayan from Kalki Selected Stories, which was published in 1999. Watch this video to know the characters, outline summary, round versus flat characters, setting, narrator's point of view, style, themes, and moral of this short story, The Poison Cure. The main characters involved in this short story are Narayana Iyer, Narrator, and Pedda Perumal Pillai. Narayana Iyer is a teacher by profession and also a postmaster, whose sacred scripture is Bhagavata Purana. Narayana Iyer is a great worshipper of Lord Krishna who had built a shrine in front of his house, and every evening he conducts puja by singing a devotional song and distributes the sweets to everyone in his street. Especially on the day of Ekadasi and in the month of Markali, he makes the children delighted by offering them sundal, vadai, payasam, puliodarai, and sakare pongal. Narayana Iyer had no children, but he treats each children in his street as his own and teach them the tale of Mahabharata and Bhagavad Gita. Another interesting character that I loved in Narayana Iyer is he used to give sugar candy only to the boys whoever recites verses from Tayumanava's hymns. But if no one answers, then Narayana Iyer would distribute the sugar candy to all the boys. Narayana Iyer is highly influenced by religion and he is not fond of material wealth. Briefly saying, he is a simple man who leads a purity of lifestyle. Narayana Iyer is also a nationalist and a great supporter of Mahatma Gandhiji. He admires Gandhi and approves all of Gandhi's statements. But on the contrary to all of his good qualities, Narayana Iyer was not against untouchability, which means Narayana Iyer believes in the practice of untouchability as he belongs to the orthodoxy family. Narayana Iyer is also skilled at drawing the poison from snakebite or scorpion sting. He used to get dipped in the cold water and chant the mantra so that the poison goes away from the person who had fainted by the impact of snakebite. But Narayana Iyer would not allow any untouchables near the place where he chants the mantra to draw the snake poison, because Narayana Iyer believes that his mantra would lose its power if untouchables stand near. Narrator is the one who exaggerates the character of Narayana Iyer in this short story, because the narrator was the old student of Narayana Iyer. Even the narrator grows up, he had friendly relationship with his teacher Narayana Iyer. But the narrator do not like Narayana Iyer supporting the practice of untouchability, as the narrator himself fights for the eradication of untouchability. Pedda Perumal Pillai is a postal inspector where Narayana Iyer works as a postmaster. He used to wear khadi. Now you come to know about all the three main characters. Let us now move to the main plot of this short story. When the narrator comes to post office with the idea of indulging in friendly gossip, so the narrator, Narayana Iyer and Pedda Perumal Pillai gossiped about the rough behaviors of government officers with the public. And then their gossip shifted to the topic of untouchability. The narrator questioned Pedda Perumal Pillai what does he think about untouchability, to which Pedda Perumal Pillai disappointed the narrator by saying that he had no opinion at all in the matter of untouchability. Suddenly, there arrives a group of people to the post office in order to seek help from the Narayana Iyer in drawing a snake poison from the victim who is 20 years old. As usual, Narayana Iyer conducts the puja by using turmeric powder and camphor, and then he recites the mantra by keeping 21 small pebbles around the neck of the victim. The 21 small pebbles are tied in a cloth and put around the neck of the victim like a garland. Everyone is keenly looking at the puja, including the narrator and Pedda Perumal Pillai. After a while, Narayana Iyer has successfully drawn the poison from the victim. After the crowd exit, Narayana Iyer told the narrator and Pedda Perumal Pillai that he conducted the puja successfully, and he also added that there was no untouchables in the crowd. Otherwise, his mantra wouldn't have worked out and it might have lost its power. On hearing this, the postal inspector Pedda Perumal Pillai burst out into laughter. Meanwhile, the narrator and Narayana Iyer are confused and questioned why the postal inspector Pedda Perumal Pillai is laughing. To which Pedda Perumal Pillai replied that he himself is an untouchable. Both the narrator and Narayana Iyer are thunderstruck when the postal inspector Pedda Perumal Pillai says that he was born in Singapore and belonged to Paraya community. From then on, Narayana Iyer did not mind an untouchable near him whenever he recites the mantra to draw the poison from the snakebite. Untouchability was practiced by the higher caste Hindus in the Indian scenario. They opposed the lower caste and treated them as subhuman. The Poison Cure short story is a direct hit at the social evil of untouchability, where the author Kalki Krishnamoorthy proves through a parable-like tale that every person is made in the image and likeness of God, and there should be no discrimination against anyone on any grounds. In this short story, Narayana Iyer is a round character who at the end of the short story undergoes a drastic changes and surprises the readers, whereas his student, the narrator, and postal inspector Pedda Perumal Pillai are all the flat characters who remain the same throughout the story. Next, the setting took place in the post office. The short story is set in first-person point of view, and the author used simple language and no complex words. You can read this story in one sitting with only one main plot and limited number of characters with no subplots. And the possible themes that involved in this short story are caste inequalities, Indian culture, untouchability, social evils, superstition, good versus bad, hypocrisy, pride, freedom, humanity, satire. Mahatma Gandhi was totally against the caste system, and so is the author Kalki Krishnamoorthy. I would like to add here that this short story seems very similar to modern day Indian society, where few people still practice untouchability. Finally, I end this video with Gandhiji's saying, "Our struggle does not end so long as there is a single human being considered untouchable on account of his birth." Thank you.